right, welcome viewers, and today we've got ourselves a VE Maloo. After respraying most of the faded red paint and doing a 10-page comprehensive vehicle inspection, this is what we found.
Yeah, there's something a bit out of the ordinary for what we normally drive, hey Chris?
Yeah, these VE Maloos, you don't really see them bog stock anymore.
No.
At all. They normally go to 20s or Simmons or 20s or Simmons or Simmons or 20s.
This car was originally from a deceased estate. Owner in the car was in outback Queensland, so he rang us up and said, look, I don't quite know what condition my uncle's car's in, but he said, can you guys take delivery of it? I want it fully detailed, properly serviced, tuned, looked at, and then give me a report. So, yeah, and then when the uncle passed away, I think sadly a couple of younger folk in the town knew where the keys were. So when we received the car, there was all tyre rubber all up the inner rear guards.
No.
The car was filthy, had red dirt and dust all over it. All in all, the car is bog stock standard, it's detailed beautifully. The paint itself was quite faded being red, and it must have spent some time outdoors.
The paint's actually in good condition now that it's all been detailed up.
Yeah.
But overall, it's just a once you've done the detail that you guys did, it just looks like a brand new car now.
The customer's flying up from Adelaide over the Christmas New Year break.
Yeah.
And he's doing a road trip from Brisbane all the way back to Adelaide in the car, and then his plan then is to get it out as a tribute to his uncle infrequently down in Adelaide and treat it as his baby and look after it.
Let's see if you can hear this. Oh, she goes good. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Join us next week for another wicked project that we're going to have at the shop. If you need any parts of your car, give us a call or check out the website. See you next time.
Cool, thanks.